Hello, in front of me I've got Realme Narzo 50. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay app. In the beginning, let's go to Google Pay app. Tap blue button at the bottom of the screen and focus on loyalty card, gift card and transit. Enter loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add, for example Payback Poland. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Go back. And now let's select gift card, which is pretty similar to loyalty card because you have to select a shop and enter card number, PIN, balance your notes and tap save. And the last card you can add is public transport. If you are able to find your public transport selected, you'll be redirected to website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.